Hey, what's up, everyone? Hope everyone had an awesome week. I am here for the rate update that we have and just wanted to give a shout out to my realtor partners out there, let you know that I will be out and about this weekend. I'm out working the trenches with you. So if you need any pre approvals, get a hold of me. We can get you 10-minute pre approvals. Get your clients in the best position financially. When we make these banks and these lenders compete, that is going to set them up with awesome rates and the lowest amount. So definitely hit me up on that so we can get them set up with that. If you need help marketing any properties you might have, anything like that, get a hold of me. I can help you out with that. But other than that, good luck with any showings, any listings, any open houses you're doing. I wish you the best of luck with those. And just keep in mind I can get those pre-approvals cranked out for you very, very quickly, about 10-minute pre-approvals. Uh, Other than that, what else is there updates? I got a new video out explaining everything to do with the loan estimate, which is a very, very important document in the finance side of things. So be sure to check that out. Send that over to your potential borrowers. Hey, if you don't want to use me to make these lenders compete, if you have someone you're more comfortable with, then at least use my resources to help them understand a little bit better the loan estimate, the closing disclosure, which I'm going to be doing next week. And then some of my other videos, I got a really cool one about the appraisal process where I go through the appraisal. Just send them to Planet Cheapskate and let them have their questions answered that way rather than, message you about maybe 10, 11, 12 o'clock at night with the questions going on in their head. They can just go to my channel, check it out. And other than that, I want to give a shout out to any lenders who may be tuning into this. My analytics on YouTube tell me that lenders do tune in to this, and so that's all good and cool. If you're a lender out there and you want to know about having a little bit more freedom, set your own hours. You can work from home, even though you're originating from the office. You can still do most of your work at home. But if you want that, treat this kind of like your own business, but not have to handle like the payroll and all the other admin business stuff. Just worry about, generating loans, building those realtor contacts. Get a hold of me. We can schedule a coffee. We can schedule a lunch. I can tell you about the unique situation we have over here and our ability to make over 50 different lenders compete. You're never going to get a rate. You're never going to get beat on the rate again. And you're never going to have to worry about one of your loans getting stolen based on rate or pricing. So it's an awesome, awesome thing. Get a hold of me if you're interested in that. Hey, rates have ticked up just a little bit, but it's not too late to refinance. I can wrap up a refinance probably in about 14 to 20 days, and we can get you into a new low rate. So I'm getting ready to do the rate update. They have ticked up just a little bit, but it is what it is. If you have not refinanced yet, do not miss the train. They're headed up. Okay, they're headed up. This is your warning. So don't say that I'm not looking out for you, because I am. If it doesn't make sense for you to refinance, I'm going to tell you what to look out for and when it may make sense for you. But if it does, we're going to pull out your mortgage statement. We're going to take a look at it line by line, and I'm going to let you know what you can save. Okay. Pick up the phone, call me 316-744-5819, and we'll get you all set up. Okay. So without further ado, let's get right into these rates. They did tick up, like I said. Conventional is probably, most other lenders are probably about 3 right now. And I can do 2.998, which is, I know what you're saying. Oh, well, that's pretty much 3. It is pretty close, but you will save a little bit. When you're terming a loan over 30 years, anything helps. And so a 2.998 is going to be a little bit better than a 3. And so I'm able to do that. But I would say probably just for the benefit of a rate update, just in general, conventional is probably about 3. So that's a sad thing, because we were down to 2.75 at one point, but that's what it is. FHA 2.375 jumped up a little bit. VA 2.375 jumped up a notch. Okay. USDA 2.375. So just last week, these were at 2.25. So rates are headed up. So if you haven't refinanced, if you haven't locked in that rate, if you're going through the process and you haven't locked in, get a hold of me. I can tell you how you can have your lender lock in your rate, even if you haven't had a property. And if your lender's not able to do it, then you may want to, go to a broker and see what your options are. Okay. So that's that. Hope you guys like those rates. They are a little bit higher, but because I work with so many different lenders, I am able to do some unique things. So I can do 2.998, and we can do things like that. But again, these are my rates. These are not rates you can walk into Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and get. These are the rates that I get by making over 50 lenders compete for your deal. If you want a more personalized quote, reach out to me, 316-744-5819, or just message me in the on Facebook. I have Planet Cheapskate, Wichita Cheapskate. You should be able to find me, and we can take a look at your data, your information, and see what we can come up with. Okay. All right. Hope everybody has a happy and safe weekend and enjoying this nice fall weather. And I'll see you guys next week.